welcome back to another travel vlog. Oh my gosh, guys! Guess what, guys? Today I'm gonna do the gyrocopter. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am still with my Bisaya YouTubers Club family. So I have here Chasing James.
Hi guys.
And some are nadito. And yes, guys, I hope we'll have good weather today because yes. Oh my gosh! Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Okay, taste friends, made it here in Barangay Canduling here in Ronda. So we're currently here at the kanangkoan sa gyro. How do you pronounce that? Gyro. Woo! Diba, guys? So before we'll start, guys, we have to sign the waiver and mag-briefing pa mi. So after that, kay mag-start na mi. Yung lupad ko, oh my gosh! I will be flying Chasing James and my strong again. They're already signing the waiver. So are you ready, guys?
I'm ready, but deep inside, I'm not. Just kidding.
10-minute flight is Panagsama and White Beach. Well, let's take lang the 10 minutes.
Okay.
Maybe sir will tour us.
Oh, give us 15 minutes for the rate of 2,000.
Yes, maybe sir will allow us to fly the 27 with the payment of 2,000.
Unfortunately, no, I cannot do that.
Okay, I'm done.
Guys, kinakabahan ako.
Okay.
Should I do this? Should I not?
So okay na.
Well, I
So I'm
think I
done,
should.
guys. Sign ako sa waiver. I'm ready to go.
Just what, if you're interested, otherwise we can skip it, is I give the history of the gyrocopters and how the gyrocopter came to life.
Sure.
It's like 5-10 minutes, and it's up to you whether or not you're interested.
We get down to the beat, yo. It's like we're not going anywhere.
So these are two reasons it's a safe aircraft, but I have to be honest with you, if something happens up there, then it's much more dangerous because this is the part that is keeping the aircraft up in the air. With my research and experience so far, I've only come across 2 cases of accidents due to the rotor. One of them is an extremely lucky guy who had forgotten to put a few screws when he did his maintenance. And what happened is, as he was about to take off, the rotor took off, but the machine stayed on the ground.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, very lucky time for him. I'm sure he's not going to forget to put the screws anymore.
Remember someone passing out after. No.
I had...
Maybe you're the first.
well, so far, it's not to boast or anything like that, but I would say that 99% of the people who have been flying with me have been very happy, very satisfied. That's at least the feedback I got.
Yeah.
I've only had one person who has had a bit of motion sickness after the flight.
Really?
And well, the reason is because she did not tell me that she is very, very sensitive to motion sickness. And as in even riding a car or bus, whatever, just gets her sick already.
Really?
And the one thing I can do sometimes, depending on my passengers, I can do some maneuvers which require a little bit more movements, basically. And when I asked her the question, is it okay to do that? I said, yeah, sure. Unfortunately, I didn't know that she had that problem, so when we landed, she was a little bit sick. Want to go for?
Mine?
The 10 minutes.
Yeah, the 10 minutes.
All 3 of you?
Yes.
Okay, good. So in that case, I will ask you not to touch anything here, here, and here, okay? You're going to be wearing the belt as such. So it's a simple belt to remove, just like a car belt. So all you have to do is just open it like a car belt, remove it in case of emergency, obviously only. Remove it and get out. If you're nervous or anxious during the flight, you can hold yourself in, no problem. Avoid the screen, please, but here's fine. You can hold your belt like this as well if you want, but feel free to do this as well because you're never going to reach the rotor, you're never going to reach the propeller, so you're safe, basically. Just, you know, whatever it is you want to do. Okay. Headset here. The volume is on the left ear. It's always at the maximum because that's usually the right level. If it's too loud for you, just bring it down, no problem. One question actually, who's first?
Me? Who's first?
Ladies first. Ladies first.
Sige, I'll do it first. I will do it first. I'll do it. Oh, shucks. Right, guys, so we're ready. I'm ready. Sige, pauna ko nila, guys. Mga walang hiya. Pero sige, let's do this. You ready? I'm ready! I'm here!
Yeah, do you have an elastic? So it would be easier to make a low bump because your hair are going to be flying all over the place.
Okay.
Do you have an elastic for that?
I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow.
Too tight or good?
Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets. Telling black guys to keep them. Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh no. Try to help you let it go.
Alright, these friends, I really enjoyed my flight and amazing gid kay imong feeling dito sa ibaw, ma-feel nimo ang breeze, kusog kay ang hangin, so you have to be very careful with your equipment. You have to strangle good like your camera, dapat na good kay kuan good ka nang ituyok-tuyok gid mo sa imong kuan ang nice strap kay for example ang GoPro ana nimo kay kuan kay siya hangin kay siya so ana siya ana siya guys, dapat hold good ka sa imong equipment. Bala na ang uban, din na imong hold. Charot. Bitaw guys. And kung siya, amazing kay siya guys. Kay, nice kayo experience and worth it good siya. You will get to enjoy the view of Panagsama, of Moalboal, and unsa pa na dire sa Ronda. And basta amazing kayo siya guys. Nice good kayo siya.
And also bucket list check. Right?
Yes, bucket list kayo siya. And sa una kay, makahuna-huna ko ba like magsakay ko og airplane na naram ka sa sud. So dili gid ka maka-feel kung unsa ang hangin sa gawas. Karon kay amazing kay maka-feel gid ka sing grabe na kulba siya at first pero once na naka sa igbaw makalimtan nimo kay mag-enjoy ka and amazing kay si Sir Johan kay iyang ikuan challenging kay dito basta nalingaw gid kay ko guys and you should also check this out. You should try this kay bucket list gid siya guys and worth it good kayo siya. So for the rates guys, they have a 10-minute flight that's 2,200 pesos and they also have 15 minutes flight that's 2,700 but for the month of October, they have a promo. So if mag-book mo na duha mo or more than 2, so you will get 10% discount each. So kung sa 2,200 kay pila man guys 220 you'll get 220 so pang snacks na siya guys so amazing good kayo siya. You should check this out. Alright guys friends, nami diri sa kasagbutan sa atbang sa Gyro kay nag-pictorial me nice kayo diri guys pang Korea di ba na nag-pictorial me that's my sister. Alright. And the photographer is Video the Great. Maragatul. Here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at @IamDaisy and my Facebook page is Daisy. So that's all guys. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and always seize the day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, Daisy friends. Thank you so much for watching, Daisy friends. Bye. Mayday, mayday. Charot.